Have you ever felt like your mind is constantly racing? Too many thoughts, too much stress, and no room to think clearly? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring a simple, powerful practice that can help: meditation. Learn how it boosts mental clarity and sharpens your focus. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. Instead, it's about learning to observe them calmly. This mental decluttering helps you think more clearly, just like organizing a messy room. Scientific studies show that meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making, concentration, and problem-solving. You're less likely to feel overwhelmed and more likely to stay sharp and focused. One of the biggest benefits is stress reduction. Stress clouds the mind, but meditation lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. With less stress, your thoughts become clearer and your emotions feel more balanced. Over time, meditation also improves memory and creativity. By quieting the noise in your head, you give your brain space to process ideas and think more effectively. So if you're looking for more focus, better decision-making, and a calmer mind, start with just a few minutes of meditation each day. Remember, clarity isn't about emptying your mind. It's about seeing your thoughts clearly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily benefits.